that shot. I got that one.
Good shot, buddy. That's really good. You almost hold that for, what is that, a par? All right, maybe birdie. Ooh, look at that crater. Nice ball mark. Let me get that for you. Let me get that ball mark here. Come on in for a second. Let's talk about how to properly fix a ball mark at Toscana and any golf course.
Show the members how to fix it.
I'll be friendly to my opponent Robbie here after he just wins the hole with birdie. Although I still got a little look at birdie. I'm going to talk about how to fix this ball mark. Key to fixing ball marks so that they heal properly, maybe they'll heal in about a week or so, is not to push up. This is wrong. Do not stick that in and push backwards. Instead, we're going to start on the outside and push in. So I'm coming around the sides, getting that turf back in, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap it down with my putter. Not to take that in and push up. Also, very important to keep in mind that a ball that lands on the green is going to make some sort of ball mark. Even if it rolls off the back of the green and you're in the bunker, you're still chipping, or if it lands in the front and rolls to the back, you drive your cart around, you've got to look at birdie and you're excited about your putt. Don't forget to walk to the front of the green. Also, when you have time, now that Robbie's done, he's in for birdie, I'm going to line up my birdie putt. Here you go. Fix some ball marks, Robbie, while you're at it. You got a little time. We want to take care of our golf courses at Toscana. Occasionally someone might forget, or occasionally it's difficult to see your ball mark. So when you have time, when it's not your turn to play, obviously you want to be ready when it is your turn, but go ahead and fix ball marks around the green. Let's keep this place looking great and the greens rolling nice and smooth. Let's see if I can tie Robbie here. I'd really hate to make this. No, dang it. All right, all square.